Ever wonder how your phone predicts your favorite song or your inbox blocks spam? It's not magic, it's machine learning. This technology quietly powers your daily life, from weather updates to movie recommendations. Instead of following strict instructions, computers learn patterns from massive amounts of data. Just like a child learns to spot a cat by seeing many pictures. Machine learning is everywhere. Streaming services suggest shows, navigation apps reroute you, and smart assistants understand your voice. It's revolutionizing fields from medicine to agriculture, helping solve real-world problems on a massive scale. By understanding machine learning, we can better use this invisible engine to build a smarter future. So, how do machines actually learn? It's a four-step process. First, they need data, lots of it. This is their study material. Next comes training. Algorithms sift through the data, finding patterns and connections. The result is a model, a specialized brain that captures what it's learned. Finally, the model makes predictions on new data, like spotting spam or finding the fastest route. If it gets things right, the machine has learned a new skill. That's the magic behind the scenes of your favorite tech. Machine learning comes in three main types. Supervised learning is like teaching with flashcards. Machines learn from labeled examples, such as photos tagged cat or dog. Unsupervised learning is about finding hidden patterns in unlabeled data, like grouping customers by shopping habits. Reinforcement learning is trial and error. Machines learn by getting rewards or penalties, just like training a pet. Supervised learning powers spam filters, unsupervised finds trends, and reinforcement learning drives self-driving cars and game-playing AIs. Each type tackles different challenges, making machine learning incredibly versatile. Together, they form the foundation for today's smart systems. That's how machines get so clever. Machine learning is transforming medicine, science, and daily life, helping us solve big problems and freeing us to be more creative. But it comes with challenges. Bias in data can lead to unfair results, and privacy must be protected. As technology advances, we'll see even more breakthroughs. Machines composing music, aiding discoveries, and working alongside us. The goal isn't to replace humans, but to amplify our abilities and build a better world. Stay curious, ask questions, learn the basics, and appreciate the science behind your favorite tech. By understanding machine learning, you can help shape a smarter, fairer future. The world is full of problems to solve, and machine learning is one of our best tools. Let's get started.